Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow backlink. So the website name is tripadvisor.com. Basically this website and this video are very dedicated for the travel industry. So if you want to create backlink for the particularly travel industry, so must you guys have to consider this website. Otherwise you can also consider for the another industry, for the backlink, the do follow backlink increasing. Okay. So this is the website dashboard. Before that, we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 93, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 93, and the spam score is only 1%. And this website having 175.6 million monthly traffic, and you can see this is a number one category ranking. Okay, and the website mostly traffic. This website mostly traffic getting from USA, UK, Canada, Thailand, Germany. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So you can consider for the travel industry this website, and also this website having great traffic source. Okay. So this is the website dashboard. So now we can start. If you are if you are new on this channel, so you can hit the subscribe and like button if you want. Okay. So there is a sign in button. You can click over there, and there you guys can click for the continue with email, and there is a button for the join. You can click over there. There you guys can choose your name. So simply you can consider Jobma. This is a business name, so you can choose your business name according whatever are. Okay, and there you guys can add your email ID. Then you guys can choose your password. Then you guys can click for the join button, and after that you can see this is your dashboard. And then let me check once. This website is cannot send a verification email or something. Go exploration. Okay. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So now this is there you guys can click and you can go with your profile section. There you guys can add your cover image if you are having. So let me set. Yeah, so simply you can click for the edit profile. There you guys can update your banner profile image, and after that you can click for the save button, and there you guys can add your business name. So so you can see this is my targeted keyword and this is my brand name. So I'm just considering for the anyone can land on my profile, they can aware ki what we are providing. So that's why I'm using keywords with the name of brand name, the name section. Okay, there you guys can add your username. Already have been taken. Jobma interview, and you guys have to select your city. USA, yeah, it is available, and there you guys can add your website URL, and you guys can add your short description about your company. Then after that you can click for the save button, and you can see this is your profile landing page URL, and I can show you in incognito tab. So this is instant approval backlink or not. So you can see, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see This is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral, and you guys will also see there I have installed a no follow or do follow checker. So this is if the backlink no follow, this is can already indicate to there now. So this is your no follow backlink. Okay. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, okay, so guys, in this website there is also another option. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can connect with me easily. And I'm from in Delhi, so you guys can let me know where you are from. Okay, so we'll discuss on comment section. Okay, and for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.